We'll speak in full butler English today.
No crimer, no timer, whatever.
No crimer, no timer, no waste timer.
How does Naga Search stay connected, stay rooted, and stay one with his audience, with Janta? Please.
Okay, ముందు అందరికీ నమస్కారం ఎల్లరికం వనక్కం सबको namaskar. It came to me at one point of time where I was wondering what next to do, like you asked. What should I do next? I can't keep doing the same roles over and over again. And Shekhar Kamla, whom I wanted to work with for the last 15 years, he came to me and he said, would you like to do this role? And it was, I didn't even much ask what he was going to offer me. I said yes, because I know I've seen Shekhar Kamla's earlier films. He's a brilliant filmmaker, so real, his sensibilities are so true, and that comes across to the screen, to his script. So that is one of the reasons I always wanted to be in his films.
So the question, and you looking there, is Kubera ko हाँ बोलने के लिए, to say yes to a project like this, especially when Shekhar ji has come with something so different. What made you say yes?
Kubera is a very, very different film, very special film. This is not just another film or just another event. This is a very, very special film. Very close to my heart. I'm sure they agree with me. We had such fantastic...
What was the character in this movie that attracted you कि मैं इसको करना चाहती हूँ?
I think basically I wanted to work with Shekhar sir, and I wanted to work with Dhanush sir and Nag sir. Like, we have this entire, like, we've baked this cake and we have put a icing on the cake, and now we have a cherry on the cake. So it's going to be a full-on delicacy by the time the film releases.
You know, during the making of a movie, कुछ moments आपके साथ forever रह जाते हैं, and you can't let go of them.
Me and Rashmika shot in a dump yard for about 7 hours, and Rashmika was fine. And I was, Rashmika, what is this? And Rashmika, sir, I can't smell anything. I still don't know. So many things like that.
In Hindi, and we want to see you come back there. You still have that charm. You still have that presence. You still have that heart. When do we see you?
What do you mean I still have that charm?
It never left you, did it? And it just says, when are
Just
you
wanted
going
to correct that.
When are you going to come back and show us
Yes,
a bit of that magic?
course. No, all these films, these are all meant to be Hindi films. After this, I have another film called Coolie that is also going to be releasing in Hindi. And I have been working in Hindi films for so long, and especially I think I've worked in more of my South dubbed films into Hindi, which were appreciated quite a bit up here, and that's what they talk about, and now in the mainstream too. So it's fantastic. I never felt this difference.
मुश्किल था?
To learn the lines? Yes, definitely. I had to really ratto them. You know.
कुछ याद है?
Huh?
कुछ याद है?
No. I don't want to give anything away.
Sir, एक लाइन में बता दीजिए, because DSP का music, and DSP himself is an industry. आपके लिए म्यूजिक कितना अलग रहा? एक ही लाइन में कुछ भी बोलिए सर. आदित्य म्यूजिक से आदित्य.
Obviously, it's a big project for us. It's a big project for Aditya Music. We are glad to be part of this.
This is not a pan-India thing. This is not a South or North.
Seriously.
This is a global movie.
Thank
This
you.
have to do well, not just in India but across. And at Mogafi, when we all talk about story, there cannot be a better story we can start at. With such a great star cast, with such a great story, I think we are just starting, and you're going to see a lot of great story. Not just going to travel pan-India, but globally from here is